guys, Ray from loveyourrv.com. I'm back to let you know who won the big giveaway, the big Bluetti AC200P giveaway that I announced last week. So I got 1,860 emails, and I went through and lined them all up, random number generator, and number 281 was the winner, a fellow named David. Looks like he lives near Boise, Idaho, so he's quite excited to win. I let Bluetti know, and they've already shipped it by UPS to his location. So thanks again to Bluetti. That's a wonderful prize. Thanks for letting me give it away to my viewers and subscribers, whatever like that. Anyway, sorry for the lack of videos lately, but the weather's just been so nice, and it's summer, so I've kind of taken a little bit of a break from doing the YouTube videos and stuff like that. But I thought I'd let you know what my next big review is, and that's going to be some Lion Energy stuff. Now, Lion Energy, 2 years ago, I did a review for their batteries, the Safari 105 amp hour lithium batteries, and I've had them in the RV for 2 years now. Awesome, great for boondocking. No problems so far. They've worked really well, lots of capacity. So I was kind of excited when they announced to me that they were going to send out their portable power system, which is much like the Bluetti, kind of call it a competitor. So this is the ME, Safari ME. I think it's about 45 pounds, so it's a little lighter, but it's a little less capacity than the Bluetti was. A little bit of a simpler design, but very robust unit. Like, this is a top metal case. I actually watched their promo video, and they were using it on power tools, and guys are just dropping their power tool on top. So it's built quite well, really hefty design. Lion Energy, if you don't know, they're out of Utah. You know, a lot of their stuff comes out of China, a lot of the parts in their stuff, but that's pretty normal for lithium stuff. But they are based in the USA, so that's a good pro for them. Anyway, this is the ME that I'll be reviewing. And also, I sort of got their Deluxe kit because they also sent out an attachment that can go on. It's like the battery increase, and this thing is about, I think it's somewhere 900 and something watt hours. I'm still learning myself on all this stuff. And this is another 2,000 watt hours, and this box can go on top of this box and plug in. And it's got a ginormous cord here that plugs into the back of this thing like that. And suddenly now you have about 3,000 watt hours of capacity, which is nice. that's like almost three lithium batteries, almost the same amount of watt hour capacity I have in my RV battery bank. So this is kind of designed to be an all-in-one kind of solution for people that don't want to go out and install a whole system into their RV and still want to be able to use stuff for, like, you know, maybe an off-grid cabin or a boat or you know, power tools and things like that. Then they also sent these solar panels that come in this nifty case here, and they're a metal framed panel, folding panel, 100 watts, 24 volt panels, and I've got 6 of those to test out. So I'm going to be doing a big extensive review of all this stuff, hook it all up, go through all the different features they have, and also go through and demo test it, much like I did with the Bluetti, kind of do a really comprehensive review. And then we're also, probably not too long from now, we'll be leaving this RV park and going out and doing some off-grid camping. So I'll take this along, and same thing, I'll do some real-world tests on it. So before I go, I'll just give you a little closer look at these. You look at the back side first. That's the top battery pack, and its big huge cable. So like that, it simply plugs into this right here, ginormous connector, external battery. This is where your solar would plug in. You can see it can take up to 600 watts of solar. And this is really unique. I really like this. A lot of these boxes come with giant power packs that you have to lug around and sort. This thing just has the wiring built right in, so you just undo that and plug it in to charge. And I think it charges somewhere around 500 watts or so. Like I say, when I get into my review, we'll go through all that. And then your solar, where it plugs in, you get the Anderson power pole connectors. You plug your solar in there, and this kit comes with 25 feet of cable, which is really nice. So you can put this somewhere dry, and then the solar panels can be out. Let's just flip it around, give you a look at the front side. So the power pack's extremely basic. It just has one button to test the capacity from 20% up to 100%. And then, like I say, this is a metal case, metal handles, carrying handles on top. And then they used a pretty hard, rigid plastic all around the outside here. So very well built, very durable looking. And here's your main unit here, Safari ME. It's really good handles on top. Like I said, all metal there. And very simple to operate. I guess they've gone with the really simple approach, not too many buttons to worry about. There's your main switch. And it lights up right away there. It tells you percentage of battery, time to empty. And you have 3 different main outputs. You have your DC output right there with a cigarette lighter. 15 amp, which is nice. A lot of them are only 8 or 10 amp. And then he even has a 25 amp 12 volt output on Anderson power poles. Your usual USB stuff, USB-C, the regular USB, and turn that on there. You can see the things light up there. And then over here they have a 2000 watt inverter with a 4000 watt surge. So that should be able to run pretty well anything in your RV, a lot of power tools, a lot of home appliances, that sort of thing. So let's get a quick look at the solar panel and we'll wrap this video up. There we go, nice glass panel, folding, 100 watt. Show you the back side here. So they can be meant to string together, so you have an input connector, Anderson power pole, and then an output to go to the next panel. So you can string them all together, and they all go in parallel 24 volt. And they have nifty little stands built in here, which is nice, kind of adjustable legs, so you can change the tilt angle on them. Nice metal handle. They have kind of an interesting catch, all metal catch. You just put it on there and you turn like that, and that locks it in place. Anyway, that's just a quick look at it. Stay tuned, I'll come back with my full review video sometime next week. And thanks for everybody for entering. Sorry everybody couldn't win. Congrats to the winner, David. And till next time, Ray from Love You RV. Cheers everyone.